How history turns and how things can start out as a disadvantage, later become an advantage. 766, Mark Three, and Kawasaki. Take off, we can compare that later when you see our S-Fit come out and take off further. And the first, yep, first,